Okay, hopping on the Gunna. Look at that beautiful bike. I think this is one of my favorite ones here. It looks badass. Even these like little gun things. That's cool. Like a revolver. Victory Motorcycles. Let's get on her, man. Oh, this is much better. More comfortable. Yeah, I could do this. It's interesting, they have the keyhole right there. It's kind of cool. Wow, this one sounds different too. So before I rode this bike, I was on the high baller with the ape hanger, so my arms were right up here. This one is a lot more comfortable, and for me a little easier to control, because you know my arms are a little closer together. Because the ape hangers are just like, oh my god, how do I turn like this? But yeah, this one's pretty cool. Definitely my favorite of the group. For sure, man. Look badass. I like this much better than the ape hangers, man. Oh, this is nice. This is nice and easy. It's a lot easier to control. What? Oh, you know what? I can do this, man. This is fun, man. I feel like the shifter is a little better too. Maybe the ape hanger one just hasn't been used as much. The high baller ape hanger. Oh, that thing sounds nice. Badass. Yeah, I could just ride this for all day. Yeah, these definitely do a bit of vibrating in first gear for sure, but nice and smooth once we get up in the gears. This seat is so comfy. So comfy, man. You just like go forever, man. It's actually not as like I would have thought that the exhaust, you know, being pretty loud, would be annoying, but it's not, because it's not drony like my exhaust. It becomes pretty drony. This guy doesn't know what stagger means. And it's got some pickup too. Some nice pickup, nice little torque in there. I guess he just wanted me to be in front of him. Come on. Oh, feel the vibration in my toes. Yeah. It's fun to get in the corners with this thing too, man. Such a, relaxed leaning position. Whoa, dude. That was not good. That car, man. Almost went right into him, man. Ooh, squishy front brake, man. Kind of runs out of gas in first gear when you get in the high revs, though. Second and third gear, it's got some good Good pickup though. Runs out of revs. Compared to a sport bike, of course, but. Brum brum. Yep, ran out right there. Good. There we go. Okay. Finally getting these shifts. 5th and 6th. Man, 6th is so hard to fucking get into, man. Yeah, 6th gear, much smoother. 3rd and 4th is like super vibration on your feet and your hands. Once you get in the 6th though, it's nice. You can't really ride in first too long. I'm so used to with the sport bike just freaking riding out first. There we go. Getting used to the shifting. Notchy. That's the word. Very notchy shifting. Not that that's a bad thing at all, but definitely very notchy. For some reason, getting into 5th and 6th is like, god damn. Why does it do that? I mean, it felt like it shifted to 1st, but then come on. These things do not like to shift. Trouble with the shifting, man. Oh, damn. I have to say, my nuts don't get crushed on this bike. That's a plus. That is a plus. But the shifting on these things, I don't know, man. Oh, Porsche. Nice Porsche. Actually, the back brake is much better than the front brake. That's interesting. Feels squishy, the front brake. Maybe because it's used a lot or something. Is that a plastic bag for a seat on a bicycle? That is a interesting setup there. Yep. Interesting. Well, I can feel that engine heat. That is for sure. Yeah, a bit more than my ZX6R. A little warmer, because it's pretty much exposed. I'll have to say this one was a lot easier to ride than the Haibada ape-hanger bike, which was basically the same thing as this bike, but you know, this has the lower handlebars and, you know, kind of custom paint job and custom exhaust. Basically same bike. But yeah, just that little change in the bars, I mean, so much easier to ride, more comfortable.
I got you.
Ah, damn. Said it was in neutral. Interesting. Woo! Hot exhaust. Dude, man. The shifter is, yeah, it would like jump all over the place sometimes.